Okay, so this is the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing step-by-step guide. I'm your host, the infamous Joel, and we're going to get right into it, okay? Check this out. So, in my opinion, the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is a technique called launch jacking. You may or may not have heard of this. Who knows where you are on the spectrum of affiliate marketing knowledge? But this is called launch jacking. Now, essentially what you're gonna do is you're going to put in place some type of promotion. I prefer YouTube videos, but if you don't like shooting videos, you can make a blog post if you have a blog, so you can just write about it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here to munchi.com, okay? Munchi.com, munchi.com, okay? You're gonna come down here and you're going to look at all these products that have not been released yet. So I would recommend going for the big launches. The big launch, to me, you're going to get a handful of sales even as a beginner. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you're probably going to get 1 or 2 sales off the big launches because there's just so much traffic. With these big launches, a lot of these people here, they have huge email lists and they are somebody. So you're kind of leveraging their name, who they are, you know, everybody knows them, that kind of thing. So I think big launches is a much better way to go. So let's pick one of them. So let me show you a little step-by-step on how to do this launch jacking thing. Let's just say, I have no idea what today is. Today's the 13th. Ryan Phillips social ads, video ads. I don't know, that doesn't sound great. Kind of pick something that you think you can promote. Think that you don't mind talking about, I guess. Ad site pro. A lot of these have like funky brand names and stuff like that. Amazing selling machine. I mean, that sounds kind of cheesy, but let's go ahead and pick that. Amazing selling machine through Infusionsoft. I don't like Infusionsoft stuff. It tells you what affiliate network it's going to be hosted on, and I'm not an Infusionsoft kind of guy. Warrior Plus has a lot of scammy products. This one's ClickBank, 6-figure freedom. Let's check it out. Sean Donahoe, 6-figure freedom. Okay, and we can go over to the JV page. JV page. I forgot what the hell JV stands for, but basically this is your page. You're the affiliate, and you're gonna go over here. You're gonna get all the information on the product. Everything you need should be on the JV page, right? This guy looks like he looks like Al from Tool Time, doesn't he? Alright, well, anyway. You're gonna come down here and it's gonna give you all the information. You can play this video. Usually this is the JV page, so he's gonna have a message for the JVs, yeah. Joint venture, whatever. Oh, he's a British guy. See that? You know, he's telling you, hey, November 12th, let's kick some ass, right? He's talking to you, you know. I don't even catch the date. I guess it's coming out November 12th. It's not out yet. Played out millions of commissions, earn whatever the hell, you know, it tells you all the little $75 of, oh, they got recurring commission. This seems like a pretty good product for you to, it's lucrative at least. I don't know if the product is any good. It might be a piece of shit. But, zero hassle payout, sign up as an affiliate. So you would sign up as an affiliate now here, obviously, or there's probably another button, but you can read all about it. Wow, you can win a car. Okay, the top prize, now this is big. First prize, 50% bonus commissions up to $50,000 or a Lexus RC300. Now, why is this a big deal that this is a top prize for you selling this product? You know, you might not get this. You probably won't get this because you're a beginner, right? But this is a big deal because if this vendor, this person is willing to pay $50,000 to the top seller, then this person is obviously anticipating that this is going to make a shitload of money. You know what I mean? They have no problem paying out 50 grand to the winner and 25 and 15. I mean, there's tons of money here being awarded to people selling this product, and that's because this product is probably going to sell a lot. Okay, 9-week training program. I guess this is what it is. Unhustled 6-figure freedom, 9-week training program, 90-day track lead generation software. I guess it's a whole, some type of marketing package type thing. I got a bunch of testimonials. You can do all the research here. This is what I would do. Do all the research. They usually have a contact. Here's a nice lady, Kristen Hayes. You can reach her out to her on Facebook, on Skype. You can email her any questions. Now, what I do, what I usually do, and what I recommend you to do, even if you're a beginner, reach out to this person, right? This person, have any questions, blah, blah, blah. Reach out to them and say, hey, whatever the hell this thing is, can I have a review copy? Okay, a review copy, whether it be access to whatever the website is, or can I download the software for my own use, for my own, what you can actually get this thing for free. I've actually gotten products for free by doing this. You know, it's a review copy. So what you're asking for is you're asking to have some type of copy where you can write about it on your blog. You can give details to your audience. You can tell her, look, I'm going to write about this on my blog, so I need a review copy so I can really go in deep with my audience and explain to them why they should get this thing. Or if you have a YouTube channel, you can tell them, look, I have a YouTube channel and I need to, you know, show a little demo, what this is about, walk people through it if they have any questions, you know, that kind of thing. So she might send you a review copy. Okay, so what you would do is you'd come up here, obviously you've done your research, you know what the hell you're doing and all that stuff. You'd hit sign up as an affiliate to go get your affiliate link. Okay, now as a beginner, one of the best things you can do to get approved for this affiliate link is record yourself on your cell phone. Don't just send a bunch of words. They're like, I don't know this guy, this is some type of beginner. But record yourself on your cell phone. Just show your face, show, hey, this is my name is the infamous Joel. The way that I'm gonna promote your product, I'm gonna get traffic through YouTube. I'm not gonna spam your link all over the place. I know how important, you know, their brand is to you and stuff like that. I'm not one of those, you know, not doing this legit kind of thing. I'm gonna promote this to the audience, and I really believe in the product. I read over the JV page. I like what you're talking about. I think I can really you know, sell this to a lot of people, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? And they'll like that. That stands out. You know, people just send a bunch of text all the time. They just send a bunch of words. Please give me the link, you know, blah blah blah. No, you're gonna stand out. You're gonna send us a short video. It doesn't have to be a fucking monologue, you standing up there talking for an hour. Just a little short, you know, no more than a minute. You know, just, hey, my name is blah blah blah. I plan on selling this through my blog. I would really, you can repeat it again. I'd really like a review copy if that's possible, so that I can really go into detail and write about it. And I'll show you here. I've even done this twice. I didn't do this many times. Virtual Entrepreneurs Association. This is my channel, by the way. Virtual Entrepreneurs Association review. So this is what you would do if you were on YouTube. You would just write the name of the product, blah, 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 review, right? Because what will happen is people who are on that massive list, or that big person, like this person, it's probably got a massive list or something, or they'll hear about this product. They're not sure if they want to get it. So they'd come over to YouTube and type in blah, 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 review, and, or, you know, demo or something like that, and your video will come up, right? And why is that? Because the product isn't even out yet, and maybe it just came out that same day, but your video's been up for like a week, you know what I mean? And there's very, very little competition. You understand what I'm saying? This product is unknown, it's not out yet, and your video is bam, right in their face. So as you can see, I don't have very many views on my channel overall. But these two videos right here, they were launch jacking videos. These products had just come out. Profit Hero Review, they had just come out. And you see how many views I got from them. And this is all people who were looking specifically for these products reviews. Let's see what people think about them. They say, well, before I buy this, let me go check these out. Inside of the VEA, Virtual Entrepreneurs Association, I had a review copy, and I showed them what it looked like inside there, what they had to offer, what are the pros and cons. Same thing with the Profit Hero review. Okay, I showed them inside the course of what it's about, whether I liked it, I didn't like it, that kind of thing. And this generates trust between you and the audience, and they got me a handful of sales. I got a handful of sales from it, and as you can see, I stopped doing it. I only did it twice. I didn't do it anymore because long term I don't recommend it. If you need a quick buck, it's a nice little strategy, but ultimately I didn't want to be known as the review guy. And you'll see a lot of videos here, or a lot of channels here on YouTube. I like it. Is he crazy? A lot of channels here on YouTube will pretty much be dedicated to just doing product reviews, and I didn't want to be the review guy. Like, I didn't want to be that guy. Oh, that's the review guy. Like, all he does is just put out a bunch of reviews on, you know, a bunch of scammy products and stuff. Now, there's some scammy products. That's why I would recommend read this over first, get a feel for it, you know, see what it's about. Is it any good? Are these kind of like a nice trusted vendor, somebody who's really been in this industry for a while and puts out quality stuff? So, you know, in my opinion, you don't want your name to be associated with some scammy thing. You know, then people will be like, oh, that's that scammy guy. Not only does he make a bunch of reviews, but it's all scammy stuff. All right, that's just my opinion. You don't have to do anything I say, but if you're a beginner getting into affiliate marketing, you need money like immediately, this is a good way to start. You're gonna get some sales. If you don't get any sales doing this launch jacking stuff, then you just don't belong doing affiliate marketing. You're just not, it's not going to work for you, because that's just how much traffic. Look, I was nobody, okay? I'm still nobody, but as you can see, like, I was getting no views and my channel sucked, and then all of a sudden close to 50 views on just these videos, you know, and I was probably showing up like number 10 on the search results, because even though, you know, launch jacking your video is gonna show up on the search results pretty high because there's low competition, there's still some competition, and the other ones that were showing up were much further ahead of me as far as, you know, their channels and stuff like that. So if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I try to give you little tips and tricks as much as I can. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.